my name's Control, and welcome back to another video. So today we have a guest joining me, Rowan.
Hello, I'm the cameraman today.
Yes, okay, so we're doing sticks.
It's how to survive in the wild.
Featuring sticks. This one's my favorite. And one end here which is pretty solid and sharp enough. At the same time, this is a good end. Just good like for digging it. We also
Dude, you didn't do any damage there.
So this is a knife.
It's actually pretty sharp.
Even though we can just go.
And right now, guys, we're just in the woods. At some sort of place.
And okay, we also have this thing. This thing. You can go smack, smack, smack at it now with the kind of cactus. It's hard enough to do. Okay? Yay, destroy it. Okay?
Oh, there's a car coming.
Yes, you can leave the car alone.
Oh.
We also have this, which is this stick. We'll jab, jab, jab.
Oh, and guys, we were just listening to music on my speaker right there. That's my speaker, that's the phone, that's his.
And we also have
Car!
baton.
Hey, car.
We also have a baton, which is most people think
It
you hold
looks-
it like this, but really hold it like this.
It's like a
No,
thing
like
that cops have when you go like, pow, pow, pow.
Yeah. Defense and offense. There. You can also flip it around, go. That's fun. What's the next one? Oh yeah, my spear. Wait, I don't know where I put my spear.
You don't know where you put your spear? Your spear, I think your spear's right here.
No, that's not my spear. Okay,
What about this thing?
no, that's not. This is a good
Is this your spear?
No, that's not. This is a good thing. This is like this.
You can use.
Or you can use this dependent gun, or you can just go. It's like, good for digging.
And you can use these sticks to survive in the wild when you're like camping, and if there's like if there's any like bears or anything, you should like use like one of these big sticks and sharpen it, and then just like throw it. And
okay, this is one of them. So this is a cool one. This is like they're not my thing. And it's good. I'm flag now. America. This is okay. So this is stick.
Oh my god,
This is another stick.
guys! Like I just kicked this stick, and it just went like right over here.
See, there's another stick. This is I call it the marshmallow stick. Just for
What? Why do you call it the marshmallow
because I
stick?
can. You can go and you can also go okay, or you just get like a sword. And you also find wood.
That.
Yeah, these would be very effective as well.
Don't worry about the stuff over
Yeah,
there.
you have to-
Over there.
This is good. Yeah, well, a good one which is heavy enough to do damage, but you can do it. You can throw. You see another one?
That cutter.
Another baton.
That was feeble.
baton.
That looks like Scarecrow's hook like weapon thing.
Okay. Okay, so we have some stuff. This is my spear. You can just go. It's good. Sharp enough and does some damage. It's very cool. That's about it. Rowan's gonna post a video down below, hopefully, and it'll be cool. And Rowan's gonna do the exact